Welcome to today's market analysis. Let's see how the market is going to move on by today. So first we are going to check about what are the market opportunities available for today. So right now we have different kind of market opportunities where we actually consider. So the market opportunities are there for with more kind of market opportunities are there with the gold. So for the gold, we just need to focus first on the highs and lows. So right now the gold is at the support level. You can expect gold to rebound a little bit. After that, it might have chances to fall more. However, the Trump reaction towards the Russia-Ukraine war is driving the gold market high, as well as the Bitcoin market up. So what you need to do here is you should have to wait for the market opportunities to get confirm the trade setup. Just don't take a trade blindly. Always use a stop loss. Otherwise, you lose a lot of money. As well as there are a lot of opportunities to make more money. But what you need to do here is you should have to wait and see how long the market opportunities survive over here. So we're going to see all the currency pairs, gold and Bitcoin for now. So first we should look at what are the major news releases are there by today and tomorrow. And tonight we have news on US consumer confidence, but that doesn't make much more impact. And tomorrow we might have tomorrow we have FOMC meeting minutes, but no interest rate decision. Only FOMC meeting minutes is there, and French GDP is there by tomorrow. So what we need to do, we should have to trade carefully. And also Thursday we have initial jobless claim, and Friday we have um, USD. Friday we have USD, Chicago. So Chicago PMI. I think this week market is going to move in the same in a technical way. So Friday we have a German CPI. It might give some impact on European currencies, Euro currency pair. The Trump is a man of who is crashing and pumping all the markets, not only the gold or Bitcoin. He's doing is just making a bigger correction in all the markets. So on USD, Australian USD, I think Australian USD already fell down. Still, like Java coins, it will move down, and then it might have chances to move up. So I believe Australian USD also have much more chances to move towards the support if the market try to come down. And one more thing, here we can see Australian US dollar. So Australian USD showing up some kind of good opportunities. So we need to check about the Australian USD pair where it is just retesting the broken symmetrical triangle. So Australian USD. And next, New Zealand USD is also trying to fall from the resistance level. Nice fall from the resistance. And USD yen just pumped up very hard. I think it will reach 144.50. We'll make some correction, or else at least we can expect a rebound over here. So just to take your eyes like that, or we can expect at least a correction. is possible over here on USD And silver, we have a rebound from the silver, and using Swiss franc is also trying to, but it is not a correct way to draw a trend line of the channel. So we should have to focus on going. I think this might give some better thing. We need to wait and see. The Swiss franc, USD Canadian dollar, try more. Just trying to more. Australia Canadian. This made a fall. Wow. Found out just by stuff from here. Yesterday we saw found out around this route area. Today you can see market went up. I reached our target price. Yeah. And pound Canadian it also like it's just consolidating over the resistance, so don't buy or sell. If you want to sell you can sell, but with a tight stop loss. Right now the most of the markets are just simply consolidating, except the commodity markets. Euro Canadian, well, Euro Canadian still didn't move up or down. It's just I think Euro Canadian might have chance to down or up. It's just consolidating. Euro Pound is also simply consolidating. Euro New Zealand, same. Just rebound from the support. I think Euro New Zealand is giving a very good impact over this place, I believe. Euro New Zealand might have chance to go up. Oh, New Zealand it already went up. But it is at the resistance. Pound down. Australia Canadian, it's trying to move down. Australia Canadian. And USD Canadian is also trying to move up. Bitcoin tried to move up. I think Bitcoin started to pump up now. Oh, and $1,000. $1,000 is nice to see Bitcoin heading towards the top. Gold is simply consolidating. Be careful with the gold because it is the support. It could have chances anytime to move up suddenly, or else it can break out the support and it can fall more. This. Yep. 3280 is a good point for gold to sell. Sorry, buy. Once it reaches 3280, the gold might have chance to. I think even 3285 is a good buying price for gold. I'll buy gold around this price. Australian needs to look like have chance to move down. So in this view, gold really trying to move down. So now we are shifting to another set of currency pairs. So we need to check about what are the currency pairs are there for buy or sell. Check out. Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc try to move up. I think quite interesting. It just broke the resistance. I think zone resistance, but it looks like a fake breakout. Oh, I need to check it out seriously. Still more deeper. So Euro Swiss franc, pound Swiss franc, and Austrian Swiss franc just try to go down. Canadian Swiss franc is also trying to up or down. I think Canadian Swiss franc is also like this. Canadian Swiss franc is in the right direction. I think it will move up continuously. Mr. Canadian just try to rebound exactly from the high and low, I believe. Exactly from the high and low. If this week USD Canadian try to move up more, then we can expect a reversal over here. Australian GPY try to move up, but it is consolidating, not even up or down, it's just simply consolidating. The pound is also the same. There's a Swiss franc, not sure. Australian GPY, I think Australian GPY, not sure about Australian GPY. This is very high. So, not sure about the Australian GPY really. If I look at this looks like a retest and rebound. I think Australian GPY might have chance to move up once again. So Australian JPY moving up. But on the other side, in the smaller time frame, doesn't look clear about it. Doesn't look very clear. Doesn't look good. No, it is just simply consolidating. So we can leave Australian JPY for now. Canadian JPY just rebounded today. After the USD tried to rebound and all the markets went up. So let's see some of the major reason why Japanese yen BOJ. Okay, gold CPI is positive, but still market right move up because I think US dollar is getting strong. So that's the kind of impact which is happening now. So this makes the market to move on. JPY just try to move up. I think pound Australian dollars at the top can have chances to give some correction. It's possible. So I believe pound use is also good to sell. Pound just try to move down. So it is also good to sell, I believe. So, and Australian USD, not sure about that Australian USD. The Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin also has chance. Australian Canadian look like there's a lot of chances to fall in Australian Canadian. A lot of chances to fall over. I think Australian Canadian. So what are we saying? I think silver is just consolidating. Really the silver because it is just simply consolidating here and there. Nothing else. But selling at this resistance, we should not sell because for two reasons. If you want to sell, yeah, I can sell, but with a tighter stop loss or keep your stop loss. Yeah, tighter stop loss is better. Again, JPY, Euro, Swiss franc, Australian USD, New Zealand USD, silver, USD Canadian, and USD yen. USD Canadian, USD yen, Euro USD try to move down. I think what Euro USD is moving in an uptrend, right? Yeah, this is simply an uptrend. So I don't think that Euro USD will fall again. Might have a chance to move up continuously. And that's enough. Euro Australian dollar still looks like it just tried to move up. Euro Australian dollar is also trying to move up anyway. From New Zealand, I think from New Zealand or from all of the equation. So I believe possible prediction scenarios out there. And let's see the Bitcoin. Let's see the gold. So let's see the gold opportunities. So if I look at the gold, it looks like well, there's a lot of chance for gold, right? So gold has a lot of chance to move on. So gold just trying to make a correction. I think 50% has reached on gold. If you consider the fake breakout, but if you consider the full kind of breakout, I think gold might reach out 3282 hardly, and then it could move up again because the consolidation is over. Is there on gold? I think gold will move up anyway. Correction, just going to rebound. Good trade on correction opportunities. So gold is good to buy. Got it. Over at the same time, you should have to pick up the gold. Very clear opportunities. Wow, pound USD just came down harder. Yeah, just came down harder towards the support. So pound USG. Bitcoin just try to rebound again. I think after 61 or something, I think Bitcoin go up once. Down. So if I look at gold opportunities in the smaller time frame, higher time frame it is somewhat different, but in the smaller time frame, uh, support. I think 3310 is a very strong resistance. So once it reaches this level, we can expect some immediate correction. You can see 3 times the market rejected, one, two, I think 2 times today. This got rejected. So this is the important one, 3310. So market reaches 3310, then look for sell. Look for sell on gold. I can move until 85. So it's possible. Yeah, if you consider go like this, it can move. Yes, it can move up around this area, and we can expect a big fall. Gold pair, we can expect a good fall. Let's check out the channel. So running the channel, gold is at the high. Gold will fall anyway. So you can see gold is going to fall. 75% reach, and then trying to fall, but it will make some correction because today gold fell around, I think just fell around $500. I think 33502 290. I think gold will consolidate and rebound. So let's wait and see. You can see from 75 to quick 500 points profit that made a. But if you want to buy, you can buy with this stop loss over here. Or if you look at the candlestick, if the candlestick crosses 50%, more than 50%, then you can expect a big fall. But it depends on the candle closer. I think this candle trying to close down, so we can expect more down. As I said here, you can see gold. But if we try, if the gold try to move up, it could go until getting into where it was the resistance, which might act as a support, but so you can see if this candle closes above this price level, then we can expect gold to move up more. Otherwise, we can expect gold to fall down again. So you all need to wait for the candle closer. So 75 to 50, and again we will go to 61. Pound USD as well as gold, all the pairs is giving a good opportunity to buy. So let's see gold. Treasury 10 or Treasury 06 is almost probably possible for gold to reach out. So still we have the 15-minute chart. The gold is at this level. So we have one more minute for the candle to get close. I think 5-minute candle. If we try to close below, we can take down. If we try to close at least 50%, then we can expect another up on gold. We all need a lot of patience in holding the gold. If you are in profit, be patient. If you are in loss, don't be more patient on gold because it will wipe up your account. Then gold will reach this level 3308. It's most probably possible to reach. And if I look at this one, looks like a kind of breakout or whatever it is. So let's go to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin reaches the high. This is the high anyway, but still, let me go to Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin it will only move up. There's no other substitute or anything. I think move up only. Bitcoin has a lot of chances only to move on upward. But if I look at the smaller time frame Bitcoin, resistance is here, support is here. So 112, I think one of the 112 is the support. Okay, sorry, resistance. I think Bitcoin will test support zone again. I believe Bitcoin will test it. Okay. But it is at the resistance, recent temporary resistance. Yeah, you could say this is the end of it. You can expect some correction. Then it might reach higher low, and then you can expect again another high. This type of movement is possible on Bitcoin. But if you ask me, is there any similarities for Bitcoin and gold, I could say, yeah, there will be some kind of similarities. And yeah, if you look at the gold now, yeah, I can see gold is just entering a downward movement. The power of gold. Gold reacts so fast. Either you're a newbie or professional trader, you can see the it's faster on gold. Just the power of gold and the volatility that makes the gold move up and down so fast. One might have chances to move up again. So if I look at the trend, I think gold will I think there's a time for gold to fall because it closes below the level. So it could have a chance to fall more. And whatever happens, we need to wait and see. Either gold can move down or up, gold may consolidate, or what will happen to the gold. Or if you ask me, is it better to close the gold? If you are holding a buy on gold, just wait. Keep your stop loss below 3293.50. The choice. Oh, Bitcoin, you can see it's just a fall from the resistance. We have correction. So still within another 7 to 8 minutes, 1 hour candle is going to get closed. So if it closes below this level, then you can expect down. If it closes above this 32, I think 3300, then you can expect a little bit more upward direction. Correction, you can expect a little more upward movement as possible. Whatever the direction is, you should wait and see. Just wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. 3300. If you want to buy gold, just wait for the candle to get close 3300. But this one looks like we'll simply try to well. So overall, I think dollar is trying to get strong. This is what I can see. Can see here. I think gold broke this support, so we can expect gold to fall continuously. So you can see gold just try to fall, just made a good fall from the support. See, but gold is in a strong downtrend, so you need to wait. So gold need to fall under 4280, 3280 or 85 is a good support. Or wait and see the market information. So Bitcoin, gold is all really trying to move up and down in this direction. Gold can either move up continuously from here, one more up is possible, or else if it is continuing within the channel, then we can expect gold to fall again. I think gold will fall more. This is not enough because in the higher time frame gold is really moving down, so it need to fall more. 3220 or even like lower than this 3G. I think $3,000 is also possible in gold. I have a chance, more chances to fall. Another thing is you should have wait and see.